So yeah, so basically this person is on IV antibiotic therapy and she has, abdominal pain, foul smelling, diarrhea and stuff. And stool cultures show gram-positive anaerobic rods. So now you know that she is suffering from Clostridium difficile diarrhea, right? So they're asking you sterilization with what substances would help, right? And the thing with Clostridium difficile diarrhea is that Clostridium difficile has spores, and spores are something that you need to get rid of, and spores are something that are not, destroyed easily. So you need, and this is a very high yield question, by the way. They'll ask you tons and tons of questions like that. कि Clostridium अभी तो difficile है. Some other time will be Clostridium perfringens, and they'll ask you which agent do we use to prevent the transmission of this organism. So the thing is, Clostridium species, basically any spore-forming species, requires specific measures, right, to prevent transmission. So look here, right? So sporicidal, disinfecting agents are often asked on the exam, right? They'll give you these three options. You'll have to choose. I mean, they'll give you four options, out of which one would be one of these. Remember that chlorine, ethylene oxide, and hydrogen peroxide, right? All right. All of these are sporicidal, right? Ethylene oxide is a alkylating agent, right? Hydrogen peroxide, as we just discussed, free radical oxidation, right? And chlorine, it denaturizes, denatures proteins. Chlorine, all right. So chlorine, ethylene oxide, and hydrogen peroxide. These three are the ones I want you to look out for in the options. Also, iodine is like, it has mild sporicidal activity. So just, if you have options between iodine and ethylene oxide, prefer ethylene oxide. Okay. Yeah. So other options were, chlorhexidine and iodine have, a skin and wound antiseptic with minor sporicidal activity. And isopropanol and amine solutions also don't have sporicidal activity, right? Quaternary amines, what they do, they impair permeability of the cell membranes, right? But they can't destroy spores because, as you know, spores have a lot of layers, ton of layers to get through, right? So, yeah.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.